Hi there and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to create and add day bookings to your booking engine page. In the hotel industry, experience bookings refer to non-room-based offerings that guests can book to enhance guest stay or enjoy the hotel's services and surroundings. These experiences are typically curated activities, services, or events designed to provide unique, memorable, and immersive experiences beyond just accommodation. Let's see how to add those for Booking Engine page. First, log into your Bookingjini Channel Manager. From the left-hand menu, click on Booking Engine. On the next page, select Experience Booking. Now, in the top right side, click on Add New button. In the pop-up window, enter the day booking name and other details like max guest allowed, validity date and time pricing, inclusions along with photos. Once done, click on Save to add the day booking, and that's it. You've successfully added a day booking. If you need any assistance or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We're here to help. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.